green, and then violet, purple. Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. And this is your host Ivy, your Chintu Yoga Ivy today. Please click subscribe button. You can be seeing your shorts and your eggs. Very good. Thank you so much. So thank you so much for watching my last video. Oh, there he is. My little boy. There he is, right? So you can remember that he's still inside my body now. He is moving so fast, climbing up the chair, climbing at the table, right? So there he is. So there he is right now, climbing the chair. The baby, remember the years? 2023 when I got pregnant of him and is now right there. He's turning 3, right? So, today we're gonna have some get back exercise that we're going to do some stretching because I'm gonna refresh my wheel pose. Haven't done that. So like what I said, I'm gonna refresh and redo the wheel pose. So we're just gonna do some stretching and then we're gonna do the wheel pose, right? I'm gonna guide you. This is a guide to doing the wheel pose. But I want to thank everyone for watching my last video, the abdomen roller. Um, I think I have promised that I promised a link where it can be bought, but I will get back to it and post the link. I forgot. So let's do it and let us do this part, right? We're just gonna wear skirt. I notice, of course, YouTube doesn't like that I'm just, doing the suit alone. So let's do this. Right. And first, I want to give my morph suit fans a glimpse of my beautiful morph suit. Do this. There. So thank you so much to my morph suit fans, and that was for you, just to really keep you in the cute place and that makes you happy. But this is breathable. This is breathable, and that goes for my Morpsuit fans. And of course, to Kigurumi fans, thank you so much for this video is for entertainment only, and of course, influencing you to do exercise every day. Just keep on and be consistent. Keep on doing it. Right? We are still about my weight. That is really our goal for this all exercises to stay healthy so that our bones would still be very active. As we grow old, they tend to be weak and also painful, right? When moving. That's why we should not be forgetting to exercise at least like 15 to 30 minutes a day. Okay, walking will do. Okay, so thanks so much, guys, for being with me. And so let's go. I think we'll put this. So let us do, of course, I'm stretching. This is very, very important when you, of course, do your wheel pose. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. And you can do the other one. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Do not forget to breathe in and breathe out. Hope the mic is still there. Yes, of course. And do the both. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. And down and up. Stretch. Of course, let's not forget ah, our prep. Right. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Right. Can we do a snap photo here? A snap photo, please. One. One more. So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, and on the sideways. Three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Not forget to inhale and exhale. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and eight. So that's right. Now, after you've done stretching, uh, okay, so after you've done stretching, you need to roll. One and two, three, four, five, six, seven, and eight. Right. And also you can do you can do a little rest, but do not sleep. That's the very important thing. Do not sleep. Okay, and then you can do your first step, and also do not forget to stretch your legs. One, just do a little cross like that, bend sideward. One and two, see, I'm just like bending in there. Three, four, five, six, seven, and eight. I know it hurts somewhere here, right? Your thighs. I can relate to that. And let's do it. One, just slow down, then this for quite some time. And I think we just need really to do. But it's really painful. So just imagine, I haven't done this for a while, and now it's very painful to do it. So that is all I can do. So imagine if you're gonna like um flashback my previous videos, I'm really it was very easy for me before, but now I can't even do a full stretch and it hurts. So it just, but I cannot more any lift my hand. So I really advise as well that you do push ups, right? Okay, do your push ups, and I will make sure that I will get into pace like this because before this was just really easy for me. And it's just on this video that I attempt to do again the wheel. So just imagine it's very hard to get back to what I really get used of before. Even myself doesn't want to accept it. Get back again to my videos, and it was just really very easy for me. Now just even pushing my arms is hard, right? So I want to thank all of your support and watching my video. So just keep doing it. So just keep doing it and keep trying. So I think I will do my push-ups, right? So just really push up, so stretching and really cannot get too farther. Just really like that. I cannot more and stretch I cannot pull it up, right? I don't have more strength. So just really like that. So just to be very careful to make sure that we are not going to injure ourselves. Thank you again for watching my video. Thank you for today. And again, next time, say hello to my hedgehog. It's his. I just borrowed it. Thanks so much, guys. I love you all. Please, pause. Thank you. Bye. Ay, wait for 13. Love you guys. Thank you, Team Sueno. And also thank you, Ka Alex, Bardin, to my boys. So, thank you so much. And I love you guys.